This is the 15th of March. No, 15th of February. It's the day after Valentine's Day. We had a great little hunt yesterday. This morning I woke up and we hadn't planned to go hunting. I usually use Saturday for my reading and study for tomorrow, Sunday, but today I got up and read and studied, and I've been studying all week anyway, so I decided Lucy and I'd put out a few birds and go. We got 5 birds out. If I get 2, I'll be good. It's overcast. It's 60s, upper 60s, I think, but it's warm, and we're gonna go. I asked Lucy a while ago, how many times have we done this? And I don't know. It's too many to count, and I'm so thankful for that. And sometimes it's fun to just go by myself and with Lucy and to commune and hear the frogs and see the greenness coming. Trees are full of buds. We're fixing to have buds all over these trees. Next week the weather's supposed to be a lot better, and we'll have some people coming to hunt with us next week. So even though I am the world's worst shot, I still enjoy hitting a bird every once in a while. And so Lucy is pointed up here somewhere. The last bird I put out got away from me, so I think that's the bird she's got pointed. Lucy, as you saw from yesterday's video, if you looked at it, is so much slower than Bob's dogs. She is 9 years old next month, and she has slowed down considerably through the years, and that's the way I am. I'll be 82 in April, and I too have slowed down, and that's the way it's supposed to be, you know. And I don't know who will go first, she or me, but one of us will one day not be with the other, unless something happens to both of us together, which is very unusual, but wouldn't that be a blessing? But anyway, here she is, and if it pleases God, I hope and pray we can get these few of these birds anyway. I better load my gun. It is loaded, and I have a little CZ 28 gauge, and I'm not any good with any of them. I've tried many guns. Whoa, baby. Good Lucy. Okay, so I don't know where the bird is. I guarantee you he's somewhere out here, though. Good girl. Dead bird. Dead baby. Dead bird, Lucy Doocy. Dead. That's my baby. Isn't that great? You good girl. I love you. Good baby, come on. Hey, Lucy, bring me the bird. Lucy, hey. That's a girl. That's a good girl. Good Lucy. Good baby. Come on. You know, Valentine's Day, St. Valentine's was the guy that cared about others and the holiness of matrimony more than the state did. And so Valentine's is all about love, and God is love. So when we can see through God's eyes, we see love and goodness. And I know there are many places that's not like this. It's easy for me to say that, but I don't live in the slums of a city. I'm not black and live in a gang. So, or white in living again. It's just easy for me. But the test comes when we have troubles. Can we stay committed? And are our roots in the soil by the rivers of life? And no matter what it is, we will remain alive, and our leaves will bring forth fruit. Well, Lucy is not fast anymore, like I said, but she's a machine. She just goes from bird to bird to bird, and I just hope and pray I can stay with her. And she's right up here pointed somewhere. I can't see her in this room straw, but she's right here. You see her? She's right here. Way to go, baby. Way to go, girl. That's a good girl. Good Lucy. Good girl. Good Lucy. Good baby. That's a good girl. Okay. That's a good girl. Good girl. That's a good one. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Now, the rest of the birds on a ridge over here. It's a beautiful ridge to me. It's got live oaks and grass. The shooting may be a little harder because of the trees, but that doesn't matter. It's so pretty. I put them down there. We'll make it. This is the ridge I'm talking about here. It is the prettiest place on our Quail trail, you may say, to me. These big oak trees. I know birds don't stay under oak trees usually. We'll see where Miss Lucy is here in a minute. I don't know exactly where she is. This is my Garmin. The red arrow is her, and she's down there 129 yards. She'll find something. So she's pointed down here 115 yards. So she must have run by 2 birds. But we'll see. And I used to, when she was young, have to hurry because I didn't trust her. And I don't know how I have learned to trust her, and I've learned I can't go fast. So we'll see. I pulled my hamstring muscle about a month ago. And I'm about doing all I can do. But what a joy it is. You know, sometimes we think about what goes on in our country and all that stuff going on in Washington now and all that, and it's just a mess. And I agree it's a mess, but there's not a lot I can do about it. And I know people say, well, you ought to get involved. I don't want to get involved. I don't want to get involved with all that stuff. I can't find anything that draws me to that kind of mess. It's more and bigger than anybody up there. It's been going on so long. I'm not sure anybody can do anything about it. Whoa, baby. And I do that to just let her know I'm coming. And well, says she's 50 feet to the right here. And maybe so. I believe her. If it says she is, she is. Make sure I put in a clean bullet. I did. And this is the ridge I'm talking about. The brushy blue stem is this stuff right here. It kind of gets tall and all that. But I don't see her right here. I don't believe I put the bird in the middle of this mess, but I may have. So, either this, I missed her. There she is right over there. I'm sorry, baby. Thank you, Lucy. Every man ought to have a bird dog that's his buddy and he can trust and enjoy. I don't have to do any hollering and screaming, correcting, and I'm thankful. Not because I'm good, but because she's good. Okay, baby. Let's let me try. Dead bird, Lucy. Dead bird, baby. You did so good. Dead bird. Dead bird, baby. Dead. He's dead. Get him. Dead. Dead, Lucy. Dead, baby. Dead. That's a girl. Get him. Come on. Fetch. Fetch, Lucy. Fetch. Come on. That a girl. Okay. Miss Lucy. She's got a bird here. It's amazing. And she went by it. She usually doesn't go by them. But she did. And that's all right. I hope and pray I hit this one. That's a good girl. Good Lucy. Where is he, baby? Tell me I don't see him. Okay, good girl. Here we go. I don't think he'll get up. Feathers on him. We'll get him down this way. I'm not sure, but I think so. Careful, baby. Where is he? Up under this tree, and I won't get a shot if he gets up. No, Sammy won't. The only thing about these oak trees, there he is in the tree. I see him, girl. Back up so it won't just... Dead bird, Lucy. Dead bird, baby. Dead bird. Come here. Hey, Lucy, dead bird. She didn't see him fall. Come here. Come here, baby. Lucy, dead bird in here. Dead bird in here, girl. Get him. Dead. Dead, baby. Dead. Dead bird. Dead bird. Get him. Dead, Lucy. Dead. That a girl. Come on. Tore him up pretty bad. She don't want to pick him up. I think Lucy has got our last bird. Like I say, I put out 5. And by God's help, I've gotten 4 of them. Had to shoot one of them out of a tree, but he couldn't fly. That's all right. That don't matter. And it's not how many birds you get. It's the joy I have in my heart for doing this, and for my dog. That little dog, I remember when she came home with me, she was 8 weeks old, and she came here pointing. In her first year of life, we hunted birds over her just like now. Maybe not as much experience, but it was great. Dead bird, baby. Dead bird. Good bird, Lucy Doocy. That's the way to go, girl. Can you believe old Sammy? Come on. Hey, fetch. 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 That's a good girl. Let me have it. Well, good girl. Come on. I got you some water. Well, you can see the beautiful oaks, the grass. So much of this grass came up on its own. These big bunches that you see is switchgrass. And I planted it. And it was a mistake. The broom sage came up on its own. I planted little and big blue stem, and there's a little bit of it, but it ain't enough to talk about. I don't know. Other people may have better luck than I do with it. But anyway, you can see this big clump right here. That's switchgrass. And all the biologists recommended it when I planted this. And I reckon it's all right. But it's too tall, it's too big. You can't walk through it when there's a solid stand of it. So, but listen, I'm not complaining about anything or anybody. It's the most beautiful place I've ever had to hunt birds. And to be able to leave your house and in 5 minutes be hunting these birds. You can see my house way off there in the distance, but not too far. It's just a dream. As a boy, I never dreamed a man could have such as this. I mean, we had food and clothes, and a great mom and daddy, good brother, grandmama, aunts, uncles, Sunday school teachers, preachers. Life is just great. The teachers I had, I don't recall having a real bad teacher. There were some coaches that were kind of negative, but I wasn't any good athlete. I've been negative at me too. But anyway, it's been great life. And it's just more than I can take in. And that's why I try to share it with people who don't have a place. And we got some guys coming next week that we look forward to hunting with, and it'll be good. And I hope they can enjoy hunting as much as we will enjoy having them. Little Aunt Lucy's still trying to find something. She might find a moccasin in there. So here we go. Thank you, God, for a wonderful, wonderful day. Why me, Lord? Chris Christopherson. What have I done to deserve such as this? I don't know. I'm going to show you this thing if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see, but particularly. But anyway, it says Lucy ran 2.2 miles at 8.6 miles an hour. And that's worthless information, except it just lets me know kind of what's going on. As I say, all of that's worthless information. I used to keep up with it a little bit, but what's important to me now is that here is Lucy and Sammy hunting birds and had a good time, and she's all right. She's hot, but it's good, isn't it, girl? She's still looking, and even though she is a people dog and stays with me all the time, she still loves to hunt, and that's what makes it so good.